On top 2024 Father's Day celebrations, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, the charismatic captain of St. Paul's Catholic Church Catholic Men Organization football team, don lead in team enter one fine 3-2 win against one team of Catholic priests from the Archdiocese of Benin for one football match wey shele on Friday 14 June 2024. The football match wey people dey look forward to na part of the Catholic Men Organization week for the diocese, and Oga Shaibu come determined to make am one memorable day. Oga Shaibu, wey wear the iconic yellow jersey, terrorized the opposition with his exceptional skill, speed and strategic thinking, and even though say he don reach 54 years, he dey play with energy and enthusiasm wey make crowd marvel for him display. Him wife, Comrade Mariam Philip Shaibu, with their family, tanda gidigba to watch the match, and her reactions to Oga Shaibu's sweet move for feed add extra ginger to the atmosphere. As the match dey go on, Oga Shaibu leadership and football ability dey show wella as im direct im team attack with precision and create chances wey im teammates take score. The opposition, wey include Catholic priests, try wella, but Oga Shaibu CMO side pass dem. For the end, Oga Shaibu team come out victorious with solid win wey make belle sweet the people wey come out come watch, and as the final whistle blow, Oga Shaibu teammates come celebrate im top performance and leadership as im wife Mariam Shaibu and their family join for the jollification, happy well for Oga Shaibu achievement. This football match wey burst brain go dey remember for long time sake of Oga Shaibu football magic, as in dedication, passion and sportsmanship don inspire plenty people, and their win na proof of im lasting impact. CMO Catholic Men Organization Harrison Ogu, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu and others for their talk with Tori people after the football match come here and say,
that goalkeeper to go, he catch my balls. Even the one where I say don't enter, the guy I turn back, I say don't catch him. At least wetin good be say we win the match. We scored 3 goals. The Reverend Fathers, they score 2. But those Reverend Fathers, they're too good. They beat us 2 years back. They come beat us last year. This year now we tight our shot, say we must win. And God can't help us. We can't beat them today. So my belly is sweet well. Because those Reverend Fathers, see them now, I don't see all of them. See that goalkeeper, see, no, that keeper, not be father. Be like say that goalkeeper, not be Reverend Father. But their defender, make Super Eagles go look for him. And we find defender for Super Eagles now. That one, make it John Benjamin go Super Eagles. That Reverend Father. There's a big play well. You see the match. You know, can't be like no betting match. You can't be like saying Pende Assurance they play. You know, cup. You know, saying no betting match. We use and celebrate Father's Day, and every year that's what we do. But why this year on better well? Say we don't win the Father, because they can't yab us say we every year they go beat us. And true, we know why they sabi well. They train. They train together. I think that they play every Wednesday and Saturday or so. So now good team. Say if you beat them today, we go celebrate them for 1 year. So now one of the events what they do, take mark our Father's Day for Catholic Church, and we pray that this year on, as God done, they help us, make it help us more, and may they guide us, protect us, and all of our will be Father. May God they give all those things we will take, make our families happy, and give us all the money we will take, pay school fees, take care of our family, protect us from all bad things. So we pray that this year's own go better. Next year on will come better by this year on, like this year on better by last year on.
It's so exciting because last 2 years we invited our priests to also play with us on occasion like this. Coincidentally, they trash out 2-1, and this year we didn't take any chance but prepared well. So that is why you saw the outcome, that we're able to score 3-2. It's a novelty match, so just to mark our day, but we're also not taking chances. Because when the announcement is made in the church that we're playing our priests, the people predicted that the priests are going to win us because they have good players. But coincidentally, we're able to also reciprocate by also beating them 3-2. So it's part of activities to mark our Father's Day. St. Paul's will celebrate our men because we know that men carry a lot of load. So occasions like this give us opportunity to celebrate men. To also give them that sense of belonging that in the society, when people don't celebrate us, we celebrate ourselves.
It's part of all the preparation we've been making since the beginning. By the grace of God, next tomorrow will be the final day, and God has seen us through. By the grace of God, at the end, it shall be a successful one. It shall be a successful one by the grace of God.
Because me I know well, I know play, and I make them come win this game. If to say I did, they for no win at all. But anyway, we are happy for them. And last year now we win them. So this year they don't win. Maybe next year now we go still win again. So but now one love. We know they quarrel with anybody. Now game of love and happiness. And the significant be say papa na papa. For church they recognize the women, they recognize the men. And this time now for men to gather together around themselves, say, we na papa, we God don't give us, make we become for church. And the men we will get for church, they try their best. And at this opportunity, they take the ease off, they calm themselves small. They do plenty things. Now papa they take care of house, now papa they train children, now papa they bring money. Now papa, in fact, if you can't wait it they do, it they break body, but they still there. So would they give our men bossa.
I want to thank God for today's novelty match between the priest in the Archdiocese of Benin and the CMO of St. Paul's. And it's part of our activities every year. We normally play them. Last year we were supposed to play them. We lost one of the priests. And may he so rest in peace. But this year we decided to play them. And the last time they played us, they beat us 3-2. And this time we decided to play them again, and we beat them 3-2. And we thank God for everything. It's actually not easy. We give God the praise, we give God the thanks. Seeing men playing with our own reverend fathers is a thing of joy, and coming together as one born, as a father and a son playing together. It's just, this activity is just part to mark our Father's Day activity for this year 2024. For 4 years now, by the grace of God, this is our last activity for the 4 years as an executive for this year's Father's Day. The comrade Shaibu has played a very vital role when it comes to football, sport. He's always there to play with us. He's there to ginger the men, even not just the men, even the younger ones. He's always there. He's down to earth. He's somebody I'm always love to be with. And there's something he always tells me, if you're not there in that match, I will not play. And that's what I love him for that. And it's good. And thank God, I'm glad that I met him as a father. I'm glad I met him as one-time deputy governor of this state. May God bless him and bless his family.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk him. We know they take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisili, TMC TV News.